We have here is a 4-pack 32 LED white beads solid lights, solar lights for your garden, landscapes, and more. Lights that blow in the wind, black and white balls. What we're going to do is set them up, show you what they look like. Illumination, 10 to 12 hours, 6 to 8 hours of charge time. They come in the 4-pack. We have 2 in the front. Simply open up, pull out of the plastic wrapping. With the pole either way, place in, and the stake place into the bottom. And turn on the light. Covering the light will light up. At nighttime, you'll see the warm light. You're able to take the units, the sticks and stems, and separate and bend to a shape so they could blow in the wind. Then take to the ground and place in, and adjust accordingly to the sun. They shake and rattle in the wind as we separate and stake into the ground. We'll come back in the evening hours and show you what the lights look like in the front and the back, decorating the landscape. So we got here are the lights. They're lit up on both of them, and it dresses the landscape up. We'll show you what the ones in the backyard looks like with these all set up. So here we have the other 2 that we're going to be placing into the ground next to the others. And during the day, they get fully charged and they emit light in the evening hours. These are your 32 beads 4-pack solar lights. I hope you enjoy the product, that this is something that you are looking for in decorating your garden, your landscape. Thank you for viewing.